Hi, my name is Eric Wagner. For my physics instructional video, I'll be showing you how to perform a physics question on momentum. Something you should know for this video is the formula. The formula for momentum is P equals mv. P stands for momentum, m stands for mass, while v stands for speed. Momentum is part of the dynamics unit, so let's get started. For this example, we have two cars about to hit and cause a collision. Car number 1 is traveling at 16.7 meters per second, and car number 2 is traveling at an unknown speed. The mass for car number 1 is 1,280 kilograms, while the mass for car number 2 is 1,500 kilograms. After the collision, the cars stick together and travel at 4.6 meters per second going to the left. So what you have to solve for is the missing velocity of car number 2. Our first step would be to find the momentum of the first car. We would use the formula P equals mv to find it. P equals mv. Next, we would insert our values. 1,280 kilograms times 16.7 meters per second. Finally, we would solve using a calculator between these two values, and we would get 21,376 kilograms times meters per second. 21,376 is our momentum for the first car. We know we can't solve for car number 2 because we have an unknown value. This means our next step would be to solve for the final momentum. We are given the velocity, which is 4.6 meters per second after the collision, and we know that the mass of both cars, 1,280 kilograms plus 1,500 kilograms, equals 2,780 kilograms. This means we can solve for the final momentum. We're going to use the same steps as before to solve for the final momentum. PF equals mvf. P equals our total mass times our final velocity, and we would get a final momentum of 12,788 kilograms times meters per second. Now we know that the momentum in the first car was 21,376 and the final momentum was 12,788 kilograms times meter per second. Now we can solve for the momentum of the second car, which is our next step. So to the right we have 21,376 kilograms times meters per second. And we know that after the collision there is still 12,788 kilograms times meters per second going to the left. This means, by simple addition, that 34,164 kilograms times meters per second is the momentum of our second car. Our final step is to solve for the velocity of car number 2. In our final step, in which we want to find the velocity of car number 2, we divide the momentum of car number 2, which is 34,164 kilograms times meters per second, divided by the mass of the car to find the velocity, 1,500 kilograms. Using our calculator, we would find the answer to be rounded to significant digits to be 22.8 meters per second. This is the final velocity of the second car. In this video, you have learned how to solve a momentum-based question using the formula P equals mv. You have learned the steps and how to apply this formula when searching for an unknown value. Thank you for watching.